Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get Aviator Predictor app really easy. So let's go to our here. First of all, I will just go to Google here, and once you're here, and here you have to search for Aviator Predictor APK download, and here you will find this official website, but still it's really tough to make it because you have to sign into different apps, and it's really long time, and most of the time you won't be able to download. So now here we will just go and click on this website here. To download it, we have to just go and click on download. So it's loading, so let's just wait patiently here. Once you go and click on download, it will redirect to Play Store here, but as you know, it's not available there right now. So we'll just go back for now, right, and we will look for here, and definitely you can just download it from here, and we'll just scroll down and we will just go and click on download APK, right? And once you download the APK, we'll just click on download anyways here, and our download has been started. And once the download get completed here, we will just open it up, right? And here we will just go and click on installer. In your case, it may not ask something like this, right? And click on install. So once you click on install, you have to just wait for a few seconds of your time. Now this is a handful, so of course it's completely up to you that whether you want to do this or not. If you want to do this, then you have to install it, and it will get downloaded and you will able to use it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.